In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cool effect where a person peeks behind a letter. It also works in the opposite way, that people come out of the letter, and it gives that extra dynamic touch. You can use any of the different availabilities. You can position a person on the letter, or you could also use it for entire words or brands or titles in your presentation. It just adds that little extra effect to your slides, and it really shows that you have thought about your design in a creative way. And we're starting from a blank canvas. First, we want to change the background color to something nice. I'm going for this vibrant red color. Next, we want to type in our word or our letter. So we're going to the text tab, click on title, and here you can type in any word or letter. I'm going for the letter B, and I'm going to increase it in size. I want the letter to stand out a bit more, so I'm going to make it white. And now we're going to look for the element, that person that we want. So go to the Elements tab, and here we want to type in person looking around corner. It depends a bit on the keywords that you have, but in the photos section, you can already see that this is the effect that we want to go for. You can also look for graphics if you want that. Let's go for photos in this case. And here we can see a few examples that we can already use with a transparent background. That makes our life a whole lot easier. So I'm going to choose one of the first ones. So I'm going to click that. And this will instantly give us some magic recommendations, to which we can click See All, and this gives us some more options to work with. So here we can see that the person is facing a bit the opposite way. So we can solve that by going to flip horizontal, and then positioning the person on the right. Here we can see that the line isn't perfect, so there's a little bit of an opening. So we can easily rotate the person by 1 degree, and then use the arrow key or drag the person to the right to make sure that it matches nicely with the letter. You can select both and increase the scale if you want, or decrease depending on how large you want the element to be on your slide. This looks quite nice. I think the overlap of the hands with the letter gives that little extra touch, and the shadow effect on the picture makes it look very realistic as well. You can also add an effect to the text by using, for example, a shadow or a lift, and I think a lift in this case looks the most realistic together with the picture. Now there's a few more things that we could do, so let's duplicate the page and go for another image, for example this one. You can see this one has been cut out nicely from the perfect angle, so there's no corners or no rotation needed. And then we can just place it alongside the word, and that looks nice. Select both, reduce them in size, and this one we can easily change the word to, for example, hey. This is a bit too large, so let's reduce that size by just a little bit, and then position it to the right. Select both elements. There we go. That could work nicely. You can change the word anytime. Let's make it shorter with high, and then increase the size of the word until it fits nicely with the person, and you can easily modify it depending on the style that you want to create. Let's go and make it the same size. There we go. I think this looks quite good as a design on the slide. Now there's also an alternative that we could do. So let's duplicate this one more. And then we're going to flip this one horizontally again, so it comes from the inside. And also like this, but then we rotate it 1 degree to the other side. This could actually also work. So if you have the person seemingly coming out of the letter, that gives a little bit of depth to the words that you use on your slide. It's also a nice way to use this effect. And maybe as a last example, we could look at a different letter. Let's use a T, because that has quite a flat surface on top. And then we could use one of these elements where the person is kind of lying down. So let's bring that to the front, scale it down, and then we can position the person up the letter. And I think that could also work pretty nicely in your designs. So depending on the result that you want to have, you can play around with any of the recommendations. You can play around with any of the custom pictures that are available, any of the standard pictures that are available. And I think if you use this for your brand in your presentation, it gives that little extra touch that shows that you've thought about a presentation and thought about it creatively. You can also change the color of the background easily to create some custom designs to your presentation. Let's make this one blue and then have a look at what we have created. So in today's tutorial, we've learned how to instantly create some cool designs with the basic elements in Canva, where we have people peeking out from behind letters, from inside of letters, depending on how you want to use it, but also on top and kind of hiding behind the letters. And it also works with entire words, preferably with shorter words if you want the image to be larger, but it can work with any type of word that you have. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.